Hey guys, so welcome back to the vlog. I know this looks like a regular video, but I just wanted to get ready really quickly because I'm gonna go ahead and film that try on haul and then go and do some errands. So I figured I'll just do a quick simple makeup look, nothing too crazy. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Is your rope now? That's how he said I'm wrong, better, I'm much better, nobody because I say so, and my heart shit like a dress code. Oh yeah, pick up my phone, what the heck, coming up my neck, tripping being text, disrespect, I don't fuck with that, think with me and check, do the fix, call it for the sex, want me cause I'm next, I'm the future, where the Percocets, I can see my ex go, you know you better than most. Brought you in on first class, that's better than most. The other side of you is on the loose. Ain't got much to say. Should've got a one way. I'm loving your light, vulnerable. Letting your guard down, it's honorable. Especially when the past ain't been that. Put my troubles in the dirty, then I mix it up. I'm about to check my number like I haven't switched enough. This is home and you niggas on 6 enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set up and we can go and do this BooHoo try on haul. It's honestly you can try to make it quick so it's not super long. So I did get a lot of things that are like the same thing in the different colors, so I'll just kind of put them all on the screen at the same time so that you don't have to have me sit there and talk to you about the same thing in a different color. So let's go ahead and hop on over to the haul. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and try on the pieces for you. I've never really done a try on haul, so please forgive me if this is like, the setup is pretty bad, so sorry, but yeah. So this is the Bordeaux Midi dress. This one was $6.40. Not like, I don't know, I feel like it's a little tight. I feel like I would definitely need some like shapewear or something just to kind of tighten it up a little bit. It fits, you know, it's not like super uncomfortable. I just feel like it kind of accentuates the wrong places. I love the top part. This is definitely a dress that you need to wear with a strapless bra. So this is what it looks like. So it goes right down to like the knee area. So here's that same dress in like the more mustard kind of yellowy tone. I love the color, it's so pretty. For some reason I feel like this one is tighter than the black one, even though they're both a size 20. And it's like the same style and everything. The yellow one just is like a lot tighter for some reason. And of course, since it's not black, it's definitely accentuates the curves and the rolls and everything. So not really something that I would be comfortable going out in. I don't know what it would look like with some shapewear if that could help, but definitely just not flattering for my body. So it's a no for me. So here is the plus Slinky Plunge strap Bodycon dress. This is also in a size 20. I don't know if I've said it before, but I'm actually a size 22. Just a lot of this stuff only went up to a 20, so I was like, I'll kind of give it a shot. So I'm not expecting them to fit like perfectly or anything, but I just kind of wanted to see if it ran smaller, bigger, kind of get an idea. So this one was $8, and honestly, it's not that bad. Like, it is a super thin material, so it definitely clings to your body, but because it's black, it doesn't really accentuate any areas too bad. Like, you can't really tell. Definitely if you had shapewear, I think it would make your body look bomb. It is see-through, so keep that in mind. Like, you know, I mean, I don't know how see-through it is once it's on, but definitely like looking at it see-through, I can definitely see my bra, which is like a lighter shade. So just keep that in mind, that it is a very thin material. But other than that, I like it. So here we have the plus side split moss stitch tunic jumper. This is in the color nude. This is not the color that I got. Like, even on the picture, it looks like a light, really light color. This is straight up like pink. So the color is completely wrong. This is size 22. It just feels super small. And this was $16. So honestly, I think I might return this just because it's the most expensive item I got, and it just is completely not flattering. I definitely don't think that I would wear it, just because the arms, where the arm goes, like this is supposed to be like over here by my armpit, it's not flattering on the arms at all. The slit on this side comes up a little too high for my liking. It's just not what I pictured it to be. So I'll probably send this one back, just because, like I said, it is like $16, and like there's already strings coming off of it. It's just, I don't think it's worth the $16, and that was 60% off. So whatever it is, like originally, definitely not worth it. This is the Plus Plunge Neck Double Layer Bodysuit, and this is in a size 24, and this was $9.60. And I don't think, I mean, I like it. The only thing is it's too short to actually clasp like a bodysuit. Like, it just does not, it's like not long enough for my body personally. Maybe if you were shorter it might be easier. But other than that, like, I really like the material. It's like a little bit thicker material. It is double layer, like it says. It's kind of like a really smooth, like, I don't know. It definitely clings to your body, but not in like a bad way at all. Honestly, I might just keep it and like roll it up and do it kind of like a crop top maybe. I don't know. Or kind of just tuck it in to my pants. Then the next one I have is the Plus Plunge Sleeved Bodysuit. This is a size 20, and this was $6.40 as well. This does not fit at all. Like, this is way too small. This material is super like sucks you in, so it's definitely, like I said, I'm not size 20, so it was too small, so it doesn't run large at all. Like, it is so tight on my arms. I don't like it. And also the actual suit itself is just way too short. There's no way that it would buckle. I don't even, like, I couldn't even like fake it and put it into jeans. Like, this is definitely going to be returned because it's just too small. It doesn't work. And yeah, you can see if I pull it down, then my bra is out, and I pull it up, then like my whole stomach is out. So this is a fail. So next I actually have three, technically four of like the same thing, just three of them have V-neck and one of them has just a regular kind of scoop neck, and they are all super comfortable. I'm so happy that I got these. They're super stretchy. They are a little bit see-through, so definitely take that into account when you are putting on your undergarments. They are a little bit thin, so keep that in mind, but they're super comfortable, super, like I said, like a thin kind of breathable material, super stretchy. These have no problem fitting. All of these I got in a size 20, and they all are perfectly fine. So in the demonstration, I'm just kind of showing you it unbuttoned just so you can see like how stretchy it is, but they all look really, really good. I love these colors, and definitely the ones I'm probably going to wear the most are these bodysuits. Alright, so that ends this portion of the vlog. So there was my try on from BooHoo. So this is the outfit that I'm just going to wear around today doing my errands. So they're just those light wash Old Navy jeans in the size 22. The BooHoo Berry bodysuit in size 20. And then I got this little flannel from Walmart for, I think it was on like clearance for $9. And it's just a basic flannel, and this was in a size 3X, and for Walmart that's like a 24, 26 or 22, 24, I can't remember, but yeah. And this, I'm just wearing that, and then I'll probably just put on like some Uggs or something, I don't know. So yeah, this is the outfit for today. That is all. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and run a couple of errands. So I want to go to Payless and see if they have any cute like cheap boots. I need to return those jeans to Old Navy that don't fit at all. Return that shapewear to Walmart because that did not fit. It was not big enough. It felt like I was like having, it just felt like way too tight. So I'm definitely returning that. And I want to pick up some, I'm like craving Peruvian chicken, so I'll probably get some Peruvian chicken for lunch / dinner, because I haven't eaten today, and it's already 3 o'clock, so it'll probably just be like a late lunch / early dinner. So terrible eating habits, don't wait to eat. Don't be like me. So yeah, let's go ahead and run some errands. I always got this on lockdown, but that ain't me keeping us stable. So I guess I know what I gotta do. Give you a taste of your own medicine. Hey, yeah. So when I turn into a savage boy, don't ask me why. Ask me why. I've had enough of shitty news. I had to think with dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men are like, ooh, validating yesterday. Ooh, I can take it day by day. Oh yeah, hands that love to a bitch. No way, no way. Easy chance, baby, don't miss it. Let you take it. I'm the best you never had. I'm the best you never had. My little baby, what's your next step? Why is everything on commercial? Thinking about you daily, smoking crazy while I'm off the tape. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alright, let's go in here. Alright, so we just did our return. That was super quick and easy. Very, very nice. While I was in there, literally I went and got in line, and there was this girl that walked in right before me, and then there was like this older lady and like I guess like her grandkids or something, like they were like teenagers. And so the girl in front of me was like, so you know how they have like that long line, it's kind of like a little area where they have like little pickup stuff, that like the checkout line. So she was standing at like the end of the checkout line, like looking at the stuff. So the girl was like, she's like, are you guys in line? The lady was like, yeah. She's like, oh, well, the line's up there. And the lady was like, I know, we just haven't moved up there that way. And everybody looked back at like that whole little confrontation, and I was just like I'm so not confrontational that I feel like uncomfortable with other people's confrontation. I was just like I felt like it was kind of rude for the girl to say. I mean, I don't even know who was wrong in that situation. Like, was the girl rude for telling her like this line's up there? Because she was like holding back everybody, but at the same time, like, I don't know, I was just like, ooh, awkward. So why are there two Party Cities? That's so weird. There was a Party City literally over there right next to where I just came from, and then there's one right here, and it's literally like 2 minutes away, just on the other side of the mall. That's weird. And it says coming soon, so I wonder if they're getting rid of the other one. I don't know. Alright, let's see. Let's go see if they have any boots in here. Back in the car. So quick, so quick. Yeah, I was gonna try and like vlog in there, but as soon as I walked in there, there was like nobody in the aisle. Like, I wear a 9, 9.5, 10 depending on the shoe, and when I walked in, there was nobody in the aisle. And then I swear, as soon as I got in the aisle, like 10 people wanted to come up into the aisle, and so I kind of just gauged the size. I didn't try it on, just because I felt like I didn't need to. I feel like I could always return it. Like, if it doesn't fit, I'm always down this way. Like, this is where I have my gym and everything. So like, if it doesn't fit, then I can always just return it. Like, no big deal. So I just bought it and left, just because I wasn't trying to be in there trying on a bunch of shoes and all that. Like, but I did get 2 pairs of shoes, so cute. And I'm gonna run in and get some chicken for dinner, and then we'll head home. They gotta be like so much, please. So understand, you got 100 bands, you got a baby band, you got some bad friends. Hot summer pics, you was eating bad dance. You ain't stressing over never in the past tense, you already had in. Working 8 a.m., finish around 5. And I can't control my mind, got to try to use me every time. What's going on, guys? This is Post Malone, and this is my new song, Sunflower, featuring Sway Lee. Not today. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a couple of hours. I have my Glee shirt on. This is from literally when I was in high school. I was obsessed with Glee. I never actually finished the show. I think after my freshman year I kind of fell off and I never like finished it out, so I never knew what happened in that show. But yeah, I was obsessed with Glee. Like, it was a little crazy. So but yeah, basically all I've done is not much. Kind of was chilling for a little bit. I did edit most of the earlier part of this video that you already saw, and I did do like a little coconut oil soak in my hair. So basically what I do is I just comb out my hair and like literally drench it in coconut oil, and then I just keep it in overnight until I shower tomorrow and I wash it out. So it just kind of soaks into my hair and hydrates it. So I just went ahead and did that. I'm going to go ahead, do a face mask, and do my nails. I also need to finish up my laundry, fold it, put it away, vacuum, clear off my desk, and I need to wash my makeup brushes, but I don't know if I'm going to get around to doing that today. It's already 9:48, so I don't think that 10:30 bedtime is going to happen today, but so is life. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do a face mask. I've been really liking this face mask. This is the Formula 10.0.6 Draw It All Out Skin Detoxing Peel Mask, and it's charcoal and plum. And I don't usually like peel masks, but for some reason I really like this one. I feel like if you do a nice thin layer, it all comes off really easily in one piece. Like, it's not one of those where you have to like pick it off in pieces. Like, it's pretty consistent. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and kind of let that settle in while I do these other chores. Because it's Sunday, and so for me, typically Sunday is like my cleaning day. So I do like all my laundry and vacuuming and straightening up and all that. That's just always how I've been, just to start off the week on the right foot. Even if it doesn't end there, at least we can start it off that way. Alright, so I'm just gonna go fold these clothes, maybe do my nails really quickly, and then I'll be back to kind of peel off the mask and end this vlog for the night. Alright, so the mask is all dry, so I'm going to go ahead and peel it because it's super tight and I want it off of my face. So yeah, there you go. And there's just like maybe a few parts left behind, but I just tone my face and put on my oils and stuff so I'll get rid of it when I do that. My face just looks super shiny and it feels like clean. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you like this kind of content, kind of what stuff do you want to see on my vlogs. I'm not super comfortable like when I go into stories and stuff vlogging yet. Hopefully, you know, as I get more comfortable, I'll kind of open up to that. So sorry that it's a lot of like car footage and talking, but I'm just trying to get used to vlogging. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.